Hey guys, hope you all are well and fine. In this video you will see fall wreath decoration ideas to inspire a cozy and festive atmosphere. As the crisp air of autumn settles in and leaves turn to hues of amber, gold and crimson, decorating your home with a fall wreath is a charming way to celebrate the season. Whether you hang it on your front door, above a fireplace, or on an interior wall, a wall designed for wreaths adds a warm and welcome touch. Here are several creative and beautiful fall wreath decoration ideas to consider, each with its own seasonal character. This timeless design draws from the traditional colors and elements of fall. Use a grapevine or straw base and layer it with fox leaves in red, orange and yellow shades. Accentuate with miniature pumpkins, gourds, pine cones, wheat stalks and acorns. For a rustic vibe, add a woodland ribbon or bow. This wreath beautifully represents the bounty and colors of the harvest season. Pumpkin and ground wreath. Celebrate the icons of fall, pumpkins and gourds by creating a wreath that features small fox versions of these vegetables. Pair them with dried corn, husks, raffia and greenery for texture. A touch of gold or copper paint on some pumpkins can add a touch of elegance to the rustic theme. This wreath works wonderfully for both indoor and outdoor decor. Sunflower and cone husk wreath. Sunflowers bloom in late summer and early fall, making them a perfect transition flower for this season. Use large silk flowers as a central theme, combined with cone husks, berries and hay. This wreath gives off a cheerful and sunny vibe, ideal for brightening up any entrance. Apple orchard inspired wreath. If you are a fan of apple picking and orchard visits, design a wreath inspired by that experience. Include fox apples, cinnamon sticks, plaid fabric, and reed. You can also weave in small apple blossoms or leaves to reflect the orchard's natural setting. The scent of real cinnamon sticks add a sensory touch that makes the wreath even more inviting. Natural farmhouse wreath for a more modern or minimalist aesthetic. Create a neutral toned wreath. Use a white or cream colored base and incorporate beige leaves, cotton balls, dried eucalyptus, and soft grey berries. A wooden welcome sign or a white pumpkin in the center gives it a cozy farmhouse look, perfect for modern homes with subtle seasonal essence. I really hope you like my video. If you have any question related to this video, please let me know in comment section. In this video you will see almost 50 plus designs of wreaths, fall wreaths, monogrammed fall wreath, woodland theme wreath, dried flower wreath, plaid and flannel ribbon wreath, lantern or candlelit wreath. With these fall wreath decoration ideas, you can bring the essence of autumn into your home in a creative, festive and personal way. Whether you prefer classic harvest themes or modern farmhouse styles, the right wreath will add beauty and warmth to your seasonal decor. Let your imagination and love for fall guide your design. So guys, I really hope that you really like all the wreaths that I shared with you. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching guys. God bless you. Love you all and remember me in your prayers. Have a wonderful and great day. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.